when the call came, I initially did readings with a couple of actor friends of mine. Immediately, two actor friends, Ashwini and Vivek, both jumped on and they said, yes, we'll do it. Karte hai. Let's do. So there was a lot of positive energy, to be very honest. And I have to really thank everybody in the team. Because if that energy was not there, I would have also been very demotivated. If like 3 actors would have said no to me, I wouldn't have done this, to be very honest. Because I would be like, if nobody's interested, why to push it, right? Even for the factors of safety or anything. But people said yes, people came on board. I said yes to Rangashankara. Things started flowing in. The first rehearsals we started, and I wrote a draft of my idea. It was not clear at all. So there were a lot of questions that came up. What is the meaning of this? इसका क्या मतलब है? ये short story इसका क्या मतलब है? So बहुत सारी चीजें unclear थी. I wrote a second draft that also went through some questioning, and I love that process because it was the first time I was not doing it alone. I was reading with actors, other team members, Shatrupal, Ankita, who were part of the production team, and we were all sitting together and reading it. Then came a point when I was also talking about it to Abhishek Majumdar, and then he said, what, it's an interesting idea, but also try and see if you can meet Anmol Villani and talk to him about it. I said, yeah, that would be interesting. And I know Anmol had done a play of Rosette many years ago. So I reached out to Anmol. Anmol said, yeah, come over, just read out the play to me. And we had a couple of conversations. They were very, very interesting. So I think he really helped me conceptualize it. The idea of outside, the idea of inside, the concept of 2 types of freedom to and freedom from. So like these many things are coming together like ideas from everywhere. So I went, we did the reading, and then some very good feedback again. Finally, when I went and wrote the draft, that we went into rehearsal on October 1st, I still remember this. So that was clearly like 4 weeks to show. That was my target. October 1st, I went in with the draft and I said, okay, till then, Jhund was a working title. I said, no, it's the final title. No more dilly-dallying on this. And then, when these 2 ideas came together, the play evolved from there. And at the risk of not revealing too many things, but I would say that Jhund became a metaphor for many things. A metaphor for, I would say it's a metaphor for the whole idea of how social network, social media by itself is a reality. I mean, I don't think anymore we need to call it virtual reality. I think it is a reality by itself. It is just operated virtually, but I think it exists very much like a society in itself. And I find that very baffling, and I find that very, very interesting, because we feel like social media is an entity which is free, but everything is controlled in it. Everything is monitored. Everything is. So there's a lot of authority that we give unknowingly to social media when we are on it. And this has been, of course, debated, critiqued by many people. But I thought it became a very interesting idea for me to bring in a cryptic social network, a world in itself in the play. And that's how the main plot of 2 characters seeing something which feels dangerous, they don't know what it is, they can't place their fingers on it. Scared, are locked in a room. That's the beginning of the premise. But from then on, something else starts. And that something else was what I developed as I was writing. And of course, the most important thing was having both the actors explore every idea. Like both the actors, Ashwini and Vivek, both were like, okay, I would give them an improvisation, they would do it, and then we would discuss. We would do it, we would discuss. So a lot of floor work, talking, all put together. So the first few days were quite scary, to be very honest, because we didn't know where we were going. I didn't know where I was going. Then I took a day's break. I wrote a section of the script, and then we decided we'll work section wise. We won't do the whole thing together. करके देखते हैं, क्योंकि अब सब कुछ change हो गया. The original texts are there, which are inspiration, but we are not doing them like the way it is.